Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our KD99 Watch Ultra or KD99 Ultra Smartwatch. And of course, this is a follow-up review for our previous video, the unboxing of the KD99 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, checking the design and of course the specs. So this time we are going to check on the menus and the different functions of the KD99 Ultra Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video review and of course the KD99, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. We do have that time. Okay, so we are ready now. Again, the contents of this smartwatch. Okay, the box, we have the wireless charging cable, we have the smartwatch, and of course the straps and the user manual inside the box. Okay, so let's check, let's see if what are the feature offering of the KD99 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, so let's press. So we have here the menu of the smartwatch or the watch face of the smartwatch. We are in the home section. Okay, swipe down, we do have the quick settings here. Okay, so we have, what's this, flashlight, going back, Bluetooth connectivity. So this one is sports, brightness. Okay, this is for the music, I think, and this one, this is for the menu. Okay, go back. On the left side we do have the quick, okay, or shortcut menu. Okay, split screen. On the other side we do have the different watch faces, so you can change here the watch faces by swiping on the screen. Okay, you can also use the crown button here. On the bottom part we have the menu. Okay, press, going back, this one for this action button, I think. Let's see. Okay, for that's for the sports. Okay, on the bottom part, so we do have here, so this one, this is a bubble type menu, or they say it's a, I think, gypsophilia. Let's see here, gypsophilia style. Let's go for the list style so we can see and we'll know if what is that feature or the menu. On back, so we have here, so it supports dial, contacts, and call logs. So for its Bluetooth call, do have a message notification, do have pedometer. I think this one is the automatic activity tracking. We do have the sleep monitoring, sedentary, Bluetooth camera, Bluetooth music, find phones, alarm. We do have settings about brightness display. We also have the QR code for the support app. We do have reset, shutdown. Okay, for the health we do have the heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, language, and so it is not categorized into sports. Okay, it's already here outside of the menu. We do have the run, skipping, cycling, climbing, weather, stopwatch. Also have the calculator, menu options, Siri, that is for the AI voice. We have the breathing guide, WhatsApp application, Facebook, Skype, Twitter, and we do have the dual mode. Okay, so what is this dual mode? Let's check. Okay, for the settings we do have brightness. So this one, I think, rest your screen or your lift your wrist to display the screen, to activate the screen. You do have vibration, the style. So this is the menu. We do have grid style, gypsophilia style, list style, and block list. Let's check for the block list. Okay, so this is the block list. Okay, grid 9 style. Okay, so this is the grid 9 style. Grid style. Okay, so this one is also similar to the list style with the name. Okay, for the sports, for example, we do have the, let's check climbing. So it monitors for the time, distance, and calories. That's it. No steps. Okay, what else do we have here? Pedometer. So this is activity tracking. We have the distance here, calories burned, and the time or steps. We have the heart rate. Let's check. So it is monitoring, or it can monitor our heart rate. Let's see. It is now measuring, and we do have. So you can, I think you can check directly here the blood pressure. That's it. Okay. So there is a separate menu, but it's also a continuation here in the HR monitor. And we have the blood oxygen. Okay. So either you can use the crown button or swipe. And the heart rate. Okay. So far it works, but I don't know if it's accurate or not. We'll check it on our next video here. Cycling, skipping, run, language. So it supports several languages here. Okay, so it has a lot of options here for the language. Weather, calculator, let's see. Okay, 8. Oops. Again. It's not working properly. 5 plus 5. Okay. So it supports for several applications here. Message, Bluetooth camera, and that's it. I think that's it. Okay. So you see the different functions or the different menus and features in the KD99 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, so it supports Bluetooth call, heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen monitoring. It has several sports modes and also sports, Bluetooth music alarm, and remote control for photos. Brightness. Okay, so that's it. Very simple watch ultra clone smartwatch. It's the KD99 ultra smartwatch, just less than 20 US dollars. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye.